everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a torn cloth, mark the circle by using a round object. Draw the line like this. Now take a red color thread and put it over the line and then fix it by covering the socks like this. So you can see using these stitches in a line, we are covering it. So you can see half torn cloth is done and we are making a semicircle. Now on the top, use a black thread also and fix it. So here we are making a ladybird. Now after that, we'll be making its eyes using a knot making technique like this. Now we'll be making these legs of the ladybird. So you can see using the black thread we are making the legs. Now make the knots over it to make the patterns on its wings and it's done. Next, we'll be making the lines over the sleeves. So you can take a dress with the sleeves and fold it. Now make the running stitch over it like this. So you can see we are putting it one by one and then fix it till the end like this. So you can see we are putting the stitches carefully. Now after that you have to put it on the top and the downside as well. Now keep fixing it like this. So you can see we are putting the stitches. Now take another yellow color thread. Now we have to put the stitch like this in the between of the line stitches. So put it one by one and stretch it and make it into a star stitch like this. So there is also a direct technique to make a star stitch, but here we are making 12 different colors, so where we are using different technique like this. You can see it's looking so beautiful and it's done. Next, we'll be taking a collared t-shirt. Fold it like this. Now, take a needle and the thread and roll it like this for a few more times. Now, after that, we'll be putting a needle in the between and then roll the threads over it like this. You can see how we are folding it and putting it one by one. Now, after an inch, we have to put a beautiful pearl like this in the between. So, or you can also avoid that step and just fill it with the threads like this. And then stretch it and put it like this on the top and look, it's done. Next, we have to take a jeans, cut it from the back side like this as we are cutting here in a V shape. So you can see we have removed it. Now take a thread and the needle. Now we have to put the threads like this and tie it like this tightly. So you can see how we are doing it and putting the chain stitch. Now after that we have to fix it like this. Now keep fixing the threads and put it one by one as shown in the video. Keep putting it like this. So now you can see you can also fill it on the other side like this in the same manner. Now, after you are done with this process till the top, we'll be fixing the jeans like this. So you can see, now we have to take elastic band and fix it in the between and it's done. Next, take a torn socks and mark the dots on the sides of it like this in a circle. Now we have to take a thread and then we have to fix it like this. Now after that we have to put the stretches and then we have to put the threads like this to make a star. At the end we'll be turning it into a snowflake. So keep repeating these stitches over it one by one again and again and put it like this. So you can see how we are doing it. Now keep fixing it and turn it into a snowflake like this at the end and look how beautiful it's looking. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.